Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Let's do a quick tutorial right now on how to put some air in your tires and how to find out how much air you should be putting in your tires. All right, so let's take a quick look. All right, so here's my front door. What you're gonna do is on that front door of every car, you're gonna go in here, all right? And it's gonna tell you tire pressure, size, dimensions, all that, all right? Cold tire pressure, we went 35 PSI in the front, 33 in the rear. Let's go over to the pump and get that set up. All right, so here's an air pump. Most of these are digital these days. You just put it on what you want. All right, 33. Take it out of here. Take the valve, the knob off your tire. I already took that off. You're just gonna put it on there, and that pump's gonna do the rest of the work. It's gonna fill you up to the 33 PSI, all right? Over there, it's doing its thing. All right, you hear it? And then this will beep once it's full. So let's give it a moment. These were kind of low because it was really cold outside the past few days, all right? As you can see, you can hear it, it's at 32. All right, so we take that off, we do the other tire, and then we repeat that for all four, all right? So if you got any questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure you keep those tires properly inflated. It's a safety hazard if they get too low. Like and subscribe. I'll talk to you all later. Peace.